Right, so before we get into assembling this, the thing I now need to do is read the manual. I mean, I've never assembled an electric truggy. I've done a modified, ready to run Habeo Hyper ST, but I've not actually built one. More or less, not necessarily from scratch, but just from this state, not a truggy anyway. So this will be a learning curve for me. I've not looked at the manuals. Pull these out. If I can get them out. So what's in the bag? As I said, we've got tools and a book. So the thing I'm going to need is going to be this book. Both books. We're not going to need the stickers or the tools. Not going to need them at all. Wow, that's the parts diagram. So in a sense, you could build one from scratch, this is what we're going to need. So I need to pull apart a center diff to do the modification with these. I need to take the lower arms off to put the RPM ones on. Obviously got motor and ESC to put on here, which aren't on this. Yeah. Alright, steering servo. I don't think I mentioned that, but yeah, he's doing. And we've got optional pinion gears, which may or may not be good. Oh wait, so they are actually. This is the one I'll need, the 8mm bore. So I've got 31 tooth, which isn't even on this graph. That's going to get interesting. And a 27. They're the ones that I've got. Stone guards. Yeah. Cool. So, first things first. Show you the pinions, because I mean, I don't know if I've actually videoed this yet, but so I've got the two pinions here. One's a 31 tooth and one is a 27. So even with both of these gears and whichever gearing setup I have, it won't be any less than 50 miles an hour. So it'll be interesting to see what speed it actually does in real life. Start by pulling this shell off. Put that somewhere safe, because that's not going on anytime soon. So these two at the back. These two at the back are your battery adjustments for the size of lipos you need. So these things will take any size lipo, because the idea is you'd undo these two screws and the back tray slides back. And if that's not enough, you can just move these two screws further back to give you some more room. So you always have enough room for any size lipos in these cars. Something never ever spoken about in any of the videos that I've seen. Probably can't really see that well with that one. It's pretty far back compared to the bottom one, which is here. Cool. About the same. Interesting gooey things. Alright. Do I want to tackle this tonight? So the servo screws in here. And this is the rubber for our receiver housing. Take our ginormous steering servo, and that's how it sits. That thing is humongous. Look at it. First strap down, they're not moving. I'll more than likely have it this way anyway. So the motor's going to be back here, and ESC is probably going to be over this side. But yeah, we'll save this for tomorrow because I need to get all of the screws out, which isn't something that's doable right now.